Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to delete Binance account. So for you to delete your Binance account, you have to tap on this Binance icon at the left top corner of the screen. Then you tap on profile icon. Then you tap on security. Then you move down to the last option and tap on manage account. You can see down here delete account. Then here we have specific reasons why you really want to delete your account. So you're going to tap on any one of your choice. For the sake of this video, I'm going to tap on no longer I want to use this account. Then you tap on continue. Then from here you can tap on OK. So with these procedures, you'll be able to delete your Binance account. Thank you, like and follow for more.